Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Sizzling Chicken Pot, or in Chinese, 嘟嘟鸡煲. So let's start cooking. Now we'll do a light marinade on the chicken. I have with me over here one whole chicken chopped into small pieces like this. This is approximately 900 grams. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, a few dashes of white pepper powder. Mix them up well first. Now we add in half an egg white from an egg. Pour them in. Mix them up again. This to help the chicken become more tender and also act as a binder for the flour. Next we will add in 1 tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch. This will help protect the protein so that your chicken will be really juicy. Mix them up well again. After this is done, we'll just let it rest for 10 minutes before we put the dish together. I'll see you in a while. Now we'll put our dish together. Heat up your clay pot or your wok. I'm using the Truly Oriental by Gourmet, a 3-liter clay pot. For this dish, we'll need a little bit more oil. So fill it up a little bit more. Now we're adding 1 thumb-sized ginger sliced thinly. Put them in. 8 pieces of shallots. If the shallots are too big, you can slice them into half like this. Put them into. Give them a mix. Now we're adding our garlic. 8 pieces of garlic. De-skin and slightly smashed up like this. Put them in. 3 pieces of spring onion. Put in the white stem first. We'll just stir fry them for a little while until we can smell the fragrance. I'm using medium heat now. You can use the same too. Oh, it's really aromatic now. We'll add in 1 teaspoon of salted black bean. Make sure you rinse them a few times and chop them up. Put it in. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in our chicken. Put everything in. The chicken might stick onto your clay pot. Don't worry about that because later we'll deglaze them. Let the chicken brown on one side first before we turn it over. This will only take 1 minute or so. Now we'll turn it to the other side. Same thing, now we'll brown the other side. Now we'll mix them up. Do not worry about the burnt parts because this will give this dish a very nice smoky taste. Now we'll add in 200 milliliters of Chinese rice wine. Mix them up. Make sure you deglaze it. These are all flavor. If you do not take alcohol, you can actually replace it with water. It's fine too, no problem. But of course, wine will be more fragrant. Now we add in our seasoning. 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is a bit sweet, so we will not be adding in any sugar for this dish. Add in also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, as well as 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Now just add a little bit more water, about 20 milliliters. Same thing, just to deglaze it further. Mix up well. It smells so good right now. Now we add in half a green capsicum as well as half of a red capsicum. Put them in. Same thing, give it a light mix. Now we'll put the lid on. Turn the heat to low and we'll braise them for about 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 15 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, it smells really good. Now we'll turn the heat back up to medium-high. Add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Let's give this a stir. Now we reduce the sauce. Mix it up well. Turn the heat back up to medium-high or high. Stirring occasionally. We want the sauce to evaporate and stick onto the chicken. 5 minutes is up. As you can see, the sauce has thickened up very, very nicely. Now we'll turn off the flame. Add in the rest of our spring onion and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Let me try a wing. Oh, smells very good. You can actually smell the garlic, the ginger, the shallot, as well as the capsicum. Taste it. Oh, tender, juicy. The taste is savory and sweet. This is really very, very good. I think this goes best with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. Bye bye. Wow.